In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a chat on Microsoft Teams for Mac. Whether you're at work or catching up with your classmates, understanding how to effectively start a conversation is essential. Let's dive into it step by step. First things first, you'll need to have the Microsoft Teams application installed on your Mac. It's straightforward to download if you haven't yet. Just head over to the Microsoft website, follow the download instructions for Mac, and you'll be set. For those of you who already have Teams, let's get started by opening the application. Once you've opened Microsoft Teams, you'll need to sign in with your account details. It's crucial that you use the correct login credentials to access your work or school environment successfully. After signing in, cast your eyes over to the left sidebar. You should see various options here, but today, our focus is on the chat icon, conveniently labeled and usually positioned just below the Teams tab. Click on that to enter your chat interface. Now that you've entered the chat section, you'll notice a range of conversations already open, depending on how frequently you use Teams. To start a new chat, take a look towards the top of your screen. Here you'll see the icon resembling a small plus sign, usually marked as New Chat. This is where you can kick off a fresh conversation. Without further ado, click on the New Chat icon. Great. Now, you're ready to select the recipient of your message. What you want to do next is begin typing the name or email of the colleague or friend you want to chat with into the To field. Teams is interactive in that it will suggest contacts that match what you type. This feature saves time and ensures you're contacting the right person. Pick the correct contact from the drop-down suggestions to ensure you're linking up with the intended recipient. With your contact selected, you're now at the heart of communication. The message box is at your disposal. Type whatever message you're ready to send, maybe a simple hello or can we discuss the project deadline. The box is spacious and user-friendly, allowing you to express yourself clearly. Once you're satisfied with your message, simply press the enter key. This action will send your message off promptly. Congratulations! You've just successfully sent a message on Microsoft Teams for Mac. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to start a chat on Microsoft Teams for Mac. Remember, chatting is a crucial part of your daily workflow, and mastering it on tools like Microsoft Teams can really improve your productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. We'll see you next time.